Thinking about buying an Apple TV box, but wondering if it automatically unlocks endless Apple TV binging? Let's clear out that confusion right now. The crucial thing to understand is that buying an Apple TV box is a one-time purchase of the hardware itself. Think of it like buying a Blu-ray player. The box doesn't automatically grant you access to Apple TV, which is a separate subscription service. Apple TV is a streaming service similar to Netflix or Hulu to watch Apple originals like Ted Lasso, Severance, or Foundation. You'll need a subscription, regardless of whether you own an Apple TV box. So, to reiterate, Apple TV box equals device purchase, Apple TV equals subscription service, to totally separate things. Now, the good news is that Apple often offers promotions. You might get a free trial of Apple TV when you purchase a new Apple device, including an Apple TV box. Keep an eye out for these bundled offers when you buy your Apple TV. The length of the trial can vary, so read the fine print. You can also sometimes find deals bundled with other services, like Apple One. And if you're not eligible for a free trial, you can always subscribe to Apple TV directly through the Apple TV app or on the Apple website. Prices are generally competitive with other streaming services, so go ahead and grab that Apple TV box if you want. But remember, you will still need to subscribe to Apple TV to enjoy all of the content it offers. Now you know the difference. Happy streaming!